Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 here and you're having issues. Maybe it is frozen somewhere, or maybe it's unresponsive. You can't type nothing, or you can't like swipe or anything like that. The first thing you always want to do is a force restart. You basically want to force the Note 10 to restart. So how you do that? So wherever you are on a frozen screen or errors, unresponsive, doesn't matter. While the phone is on, you want to simply press and hold two buttons, the volume down button and the power button. You want to press and hold at the same time, and do not let go until we see the Samsung logo appear. So let's do this together. Volume down, power. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. I'm still holding on both buttons here. I'm not going to let go until I see that Samsung logo appear. It's getting ready to reboot. Okay, it's rebooting here, and then once I see the Samsung logo appear, I'm going to go ahead and let go. I'm still holding on to both buttons, waiting for that Samsung logo to appear. I just felt it vibrate. There it is. Now I can go ahead and let go. And now once this boots back up, your phone should be back up and running. You shouldn't have any, shouldn't be frozen in a particular app that you still have. If you're using an app that's continually freezing and whatnot, what you can always do too is bring the Note 10 into safe mode. And if with it in safe mode, if you don't have those freezes or whatnot, then the culprit is an actual app a third-party app that you downloaded. Anyways, there you guys go. Any questions, just comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.